Okay, so we're going to go on Kahoot and then you're going to go ahead and log in. Now, I have had a Kahoot login for probably 4 or 5 years. So I think I just logged in with my Google credentials and connected to Google that way. I think. Um, I might have made my thing so long ago it didn't connect. So it might be something you can do now, like when you log in, you just connect to Google. Not really sure, but I do know it connects to your Google Classroom. So probably if once you log in, you can probably click connect to Google. Um, so once you're logged in, then you're going to go ahead and do, you'll be sent to the home and I have my Kahoots already made. And I shared with you the one that I made that's just the 2-digit subtraction. I just made a copy for mine so that only my kids have access to it. Okay, so all you have to do is click on the one that I sent you and it should bring it up like this. And then once you go and you're ready and you like it, I just did random pictures that kind of matched, but if you want to go change or add any questions or anything like that, you can click on the buttons and you're going to have to edit it. Once you edit it, over here is a list of questions. I gave them 120 seconds, so 2 minutes per question. But if you want to give them longer, you click on there, and then it'll give them up to 240 minutes or 240 seconds or 4 minutes. So you can change the times if you want, or if you wanted to add a question, you do that by clicking here. You can choose your type of question. I just did all quizzes, and you type your question here, how there are 34 people walking in the neighborhood, whatever. I just copied and pasted. I used one that was already there. So if you wanted to add a question, you can do that there. Then 18. All right, so then once you have that in, you can then add the answer choices and you just pick random ones and then make one of them, as you can see, just the correct answer. So pretty simple. That's all you have to do. So like, okay, this one would be the correct answer and then mark it. And I tried to do random so that it would work out, but 22, right? Because it was right. Do 24, right? Do random ones, whatever. And if they add 40 or 54, I always try to do something pretty simple, but then I change my time to whatever my time is. Can add an image like I did or what have you. So if you wanted to add a question, you can. Just delete that one off. And then once you're done, you can click done. And once you're ready to give it to the kids, this is when you're just going to click play. And right now it's going to be an assign for the distance learning. If you were in the classroom, you could teach it right then and then they could get in groups and play. So you could click assign and then create new and set your date for when you want it completed by this date and time. I turn on my random answer order and I make a friendly nickname generator just for fun. That way it doesn't have everybody's name on it and what they did on each question. So if you want to do random, that's fine, or you can just leave that off. So then once you go to create, it's going to ask you, there's your pen. You're in the classroom, you would give the kids that, and that would just sign in with that. Or you can just click on Google Classroom, and it should connect to them and do just like we do on all the other assignments. You just make your assignment. And just like before. So if you need more help, or if you're having a hard time connecting to Google Classroom, let me know and we can chat on the phone or via Zoom or what have you. So let me know if you need more help. All right, enjoy your Kahoot. I have another one that I'm going to share with you. It's called Quizzes. It's very similar to Kahoot, so and also connects to Google Classroom, and the district has quizzes on it. So it's a fun one too. So it's called Quizzes, but I'll share that with you in a separate video.